Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Sophia Anjum, and we welcome you to our special session, 6 Mothers, 6 Inspirational Stories, powered by 6 Sense Group. तामीर करो मोहब्बत से। अब हमारे पास जो guest है, she is very simple in nature and very talented. Presenting Asma Waqar. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Walaikum assalam. I am well. How are you?
Good. Happy Mother's Day to you.
Thank you.
Well, she's looking lovely. I was actually just telling her off air also. मैंने कहा ये तो ख़वातीन की चीज़ होती है ना, एक दूसरे की तारीफ करना. अभी मेरी तारीफ करेंगे, फिर मैं उनकी करूँगी. I love what you're wearing.
Thank you so
and
much.
I love the simplicity.
Thank you so much.
Well, let me give a formal introduction as well. Miss Asma Waqar is the Director of Sweet Affairs and the CEO of Crave the Caterers as well. So now in a journey, if you talk about your journey in a nutshell, how would you say motherhood has been for you, Asma?
Motherhood has been, it's who I am. Like, I was talking to somebody and I was telling them that all I wanted to be was a mother. मतलब जैसे एक ड्रीम थी ना, just wanted to be mother. I wanted to be defined as a mother. I wanted to be known as mother of Tayyib, Ateeb and Aisha.
यानी ममता आपके अंदर काफी समाई हुई थी बचपन से।
बहुत ज़्यादा सबके, like मेरे घर में हमेशा रौनक होती है। बच्चे छोटे थे, अभी तो माशाल्लाह the eldest is 20. And then the second one is 18 and a half.
I don't believe it. She probably looks like an elder sister. I'm sure you get that all the time.
Yeah, I do now because since they're taller and So उनके बच्चों के friends हर वक्त pool parties हो रही हैं, play dates हो रही हैं. So I've always enjoyed being a mother to all kids. Kids hold a very special place in my heart.
That's
always.
lovely. That
so,
sounds wonderful.
मुझे बस I'm not the super mom. There's a lot of mothers I know, but ये होता है कि I just want to be there and watch kids playing around me. तो मैं उतना productive नहीं कर रही होती कि बड़ा पढ़ा शरा रही हूँ, उस तरह की नहीं हूँ. I'm actually very lenient, but I just love kids being around me.
But you know, I'll tell you something. I feel that all mothers are super mothers in their own way, because I think all of them wear capes.
I think
and you know, sometimes you have certain qualities that we don't really know, and you don't even know that they exist. 100%. So the next question that I have for you, Asma, is how would you say that in life as a mother, what has been your biggest accomplishment?
My biggest accomplishment till date, today when I see all my kids, especially the boys, and I see them, kind and generous and thoughtful and super caring, not, अभी तक अल्लाह मियाँ हमेशा ऐसे रखे, not arrogant. So this, अभी तक मुझे लगता है कि मैंने यहाँ तक तो कर लिया. अब आगे जाके after the adults 21 and all, so अब अल्लाह मियाँ उनके लिए दुआ ही कर सकती हूँ हमेशा. But accomplishment सच में मुझे लगता है कि जब मुझे दूसरा लोग आके बोलते हैं कि we met your kids, what wonderful kids that you have, so I think that feels good. That feels like,
of course.
Okay, maybe I did something right.
Of course, and as if you come to think of it, if we talk about today's day and age, everyone talks about the element of respect.
100%.
बच्चे जो हैं वो कई दफ़ा respect नहीं देते elders को या दूसरों को या strangers को. So if you're hearing good things about your children, that means you've raised them well.
No,
so
respect is very important to me.
Yeah, it is. So what is that one thing that you're very particular about that you always teach your children?
Respect, यही है. Actually, मैं respect and kindness. So मैं हमेशा बोल रही होती हूँ काफ़ी repeat पे कि when you have a choice between being right or kind, just choose kind. So that's my motto, and I don't care. I mean, like जो दूसरा सोचे कि अच्छा मैं तो सही निकला, I don't care. You have to be kind and not hurt anybody.
Oh, that's really
and
sweet.
and respect your elders बहुत ज़्यादा. Like हमारे यहाँ joint family systems है, दादा दादी हैं, नाना नानी हैं, मामू चाचा सब लोग. So माशाल्लाह I find कि everybody is very happy with my children. अभी तक अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह I am too. कि वो कभी भी मुझे उनकी कंप्लेन नहीं है कि disrespect. एक चीज़ से मना भी कर दो तो वो बहस नहीं करते हैं. And still इसके बावजूद they have their own personalities. ऐसे नहीं है कि they just so माशाल्लाह से all rounders. So that does make me very happy.
That's lovely and also very inspirational because mashallah आप देखिए कि your name instantly comes to our minds whenever somebody talks about say entrepreneurs and people who've done so much of work here. Sweet Affairs is a very known name और आपने माशाल्लाह बड़ी अच्छी balance की है अपनी life.
Yes.
So आपकी story inspirational है. So tell us now मतलब कोई secret तो बताइए अपनी inspirational
Secret is just consistently working hard and working with passion. Sweet Affairs is very close to our hearts. We as a family, हम सारे partners हैं, भाई बहन सारे, और Sweet Affairs हमेशा all the time center of हमारी जो discussion होती है उसका main हमेशा Sweet Affairs होता है. How to make sure people never ever get bad food or a client comes in, we always want them to leave happy. So striving to do that all the time.
Absolutely.
उसमें sleepless nights is no, इसका 9 to 5 job नहीं, it's literally 24/7.
Literally.
एक 3 बजे भी मुझे केक के orders आ रहे होंगे तो I make sure अच्छा मैं ले लूँ because you know उस बंदे के लिए maybe that's a special event. So yeah.
हाँ जी, अब आप ये देखिए, ladies and gentlemen, that you know she's not just a mother, she's not just an entrepreneur, but she's an all-rounder. You know, she's like a jack of all trades. You have this, you know, cap with a lot of feathers inside of it. So, what would be your take-home advice to everybody who's watching right now on Mother's Day, to all the mothers and to all the parents out there and the children as well?
So I haven't prepared anything. So I wish I had because there's so many things I would want to say, but. यही है for especially for working mothers, don't feel guilty all the time. I think we tend to feel, but I think children respect the mothers more who are doing something productive, and you're teaching your children also not to waste time, to do something productive, to give back to the community, and that's a very important message I feel I have to convey to my children, that you know life has to have a purpose.
Ladies and gentlemen, Asma Waqar, it was such an honor, you know, to interview you. बहुत मजा आया. 6 Sense Group, ladies and gentlemen, 6 mothers and 6 inspirational stories. Keep watching for more.